Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for Bitcoin versus the US dollar. So the price of Bitcoin versus the dollar. The date is March 29th, 2020. It is 12:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're looking at the weekly chart for Bitcoin. And what that means is each one of these red or green candles represents 1 week of price action. So if we look at the last few weeks, we see that price has stabilized above the $5,000 mark. And we see that last week's candle was generally bullish. We got a nice lift off support. And then this week also, it's been fairly bullish. I am a little bit concerned about the fact of how this week ends. So let's talk about why. So possible bearish if week does not close above 6,200. Let me go ahead and draw another support line. Basically, what it means is that price right now is in this zone, right? We're still below this triangle. So if price breaks above the 6,200, we can finish the week off. That will be a little bit more bullish. We'll be staying closer to the moving average. Who knows, here in the next 6 hours or so, price could close above that, but that's what I'm watching. If price doesn't really go above that levels, then we could see, price waver down to the 5,000 level and might just hang sideways for a bit. So there's a couple of possible scenarios for Bitcoin, and one of those is being that it just comes to a grinding halt, right on the middle, if it becomes not profitable to mine it. And if it becomes not profitable to mine it, then or trade it, then it won't be liquid and it won't move anywhere. So we see on some of the altcoins that really their candles are really nothing because there's not a lot of liquidity or volume trading going on. So it's important that Bitcoin chooses a direction and we don't come to a grinding sideways halt. Right now we look, price is kind of stuck in this big wedge. So we've got support coming from 3,000 to 4,800. This has been tested several times and holding strong. We see here, right? So we see, let's go ahead and mark that out. That last dip, price held. That's really good. So that's bullish. But if it just kind of sits here and goes sideways, it doesn't really do anything good. As long as support though holds, that's possible bullish. But I really want to see prices above 6,200. Then, in order to become bullish, a true bull, and you see price above 10,000. Bullish above 10,000. Right, so I want to see over the next few weeks candles really hit that mark. It just makes it more significant, because then we'd have price moving in this next range. Once 10,000 is broke, then we start moving up to here to 14K, previous high, summer of 2019, and we can see it's offered some resistance and support way back in early 2018. Let's look at intraday trading. Zoom into the daily. Okay, so far today, it's looking fairly bearish. Price crossed over the fast moving average, but now is declining back through. If this 6,095 doesn't hold, or sorry, this 6,100 mark, let's call it, then I'm more inclined to think about the bearish scenario. So if more candles close below here, bearish. If we were to see something like this on the 1 hour, a trend like this and price hold, that would be bullish. Otherwise, we're bearish. Okay, everyone stay safe out there. I hope you make lots of profit trading. Be careful as the markets are very volatile. Have a good one.